Welcome to this demonstration of smart tendering process using Ethereum blockchain. What we have is a website which presents a user interface using AngularJS, which interacts with Spring Boot microservices using MongoDB as the database on Amazon Web Services Ubuntu instance. We'll start the tender process with details about the suppliers. Let's say the incumbent is Cognizant and the competitor is TCS. We will create a smart contract on Ethereum blockchain to start the tendering process in the department where officers will be able to go through the submissions provided by the suppliers with their terms and conditions and with their compliances to the requirements of the department. And each officer will form their own opinion and provide their choice for the suppliers. And the choices of all the officers will be taken into consideration to arrive at a majority, so that based on the majority opinion, the tender will be awarded to the most preferred supplier. Here we are using a private blockchain having nodes run by Geth technology, and the various nodes are synchronized with each other, and any node can be queried upon for retrieving any information. We'll check the heartbeat of the blockchain, which shows the recent block as 29,060, and we see the digital record of the contract being displayed, and we will give approval rights to various officers who are represented by their public-private keys in the blockchain for signing the transactions and evidencing their activity on the contract. So the rights have been given to an officer who can then provide their choice of supplier based on their individual understanding of the submissions given by the suppliers, and their choice will be recorded and counted in the final tendering process. Now we will grant approval rights to a delegate officer who would have also evaluated the terms and conditions of the suppliers and their compliance to the department's requirements for service guarantee. So the delegate will provide their choice by voting for a supplier which they believe should be considered for awarding of the tender. Here we see their choice has been recorded. We will grant rights to the senior officer so that they can provide their choice, which will determine the votes that have been counted with others. Let's say the senior officer choose TCS as their preferred choice and provide a vote for TCS as a supplier, and their choice is recorded on blockchain. We'll check to see the number of votes which are in favor of a supplier, and as we can see, Cognizant has more number of votes, and the tender is awarded to Cognizant for the preferred vendor. Thanks for watching.